The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
Following an inspection by the Khasi Students' Union, Lat Yumkhra Circle, on the 10th of July 2024, aimed at identifying migrant labourers without valid work permits and necessary documents, the Lat Yumkhra Police Station had filed FIRs against 2 union leaders today. This move has prompted the KSU members to demand the withdrawal of the FIRs and to oppose the police's attempt to implicate their leaders in assault and other charges. A KSU Lat Yumkhra Circle member alleged that despite conducting the check in the presence of anti-infiltration officers, state police members and others, the FIRs against the 2 leaders were lodged with unnecessary charges.
Police station gede ro ka jopot jumi kulit ya agu kena lam jom ka lai khai unit adin ka jing khanra ya ki nong tre bor chla ba tre ya kini ka dong thai jom ka lai khai bro hoi kini ka jing le sang kalong si benta ya ka ba ni kwa ya so ka ba kan tre kam no ya ai ko don lupa ya MRSSA ya betuju ro juga foro tre sitong ya ka ba ulong ni jing wa trong nghi của mình video để nó làm permit đây các bạn lungok pat kalong ba na kaliang jing kulit ki sim ba kani jing khana jungi kalong jing khana ka ba bian ya ka ba arngut na ki noilam trong ka dai khai unit ki kot perhap ha ki kendon ki ba phet la pan ong ba kini kendon ki ba ki perhap na kaliang kulit ki long ki ba suthau ki sulam ler nama hak tu sngi hi ba ki noilam ki kot trong ka dai khai unit lek ki ba rai ni menden ki nak liang ju kulit kiton lang nak liang ju magistrate kiton lang rai ha bang pek pa content ke fa hat kini jing kho ko ki kalong basusna ko chu ro ka ding le jong ki ni su thu sa hiro ba ka dei tang pum ka ju penting ko tempan kini ki khot basindang mesin jok lai kha unit ndai ni su thu wala deng jing le ki kulit jing le ki kulit tu ndai ar ni simpat ba kini kalong tum jing tenju yangi ni ngim sim ba ki dei ting tung kiang jadi ngisim bar bakalong ke jepar hem susu e gamen sim ke kon ke jungi hatat hadu guna yo MRSSA rujuk ro yo
hi lappa menta kaski kajing pat ban finish po PS line pa kabam simlatan kano ka nongrem ngani ki bayadai bat ka tagaan ba ila ban khot ban pha jiri ki hani po PS rai kita ki an malong hi no yalam chungi mamanta ki ki an ki sul thawi bat kini ki jingkhot chung ki ngatep ka we ki jumbut penting pensmi ndai ka tang mensim raham chungi kan du no bat ya kai bagi don kamale bagi ya skmat kam gini telun bala daran ngono ko benta ba ki pensange engi kata ki habe berkhat hi marba ka tung jing keno ba tu kasni kadan ka jing ya jrong kti kidan kita ki wangi use the force nrai ngir ngim simlong ki balabet do kata-kata ngilap dokam la ka cabeng agba ngilayo ban capture the video ado basdang cingken rajungi ado bokut halor katar uladon bat ki infiltration anti infiltration officer nakalian jong sarkar kidan ki police police department de kidan ki magistrate de hanu kata ka balai pat hadu menta pat ki keno ba ke hataka FIR ki lafai ba aladon kum kata ka jing zongkti kene ka kamsimla dan kano ka bentak bengihap lam bengila pan pediang te ngipan jing syai na kalian sarkar ba Snoba wan penting pesmi ingin lagi sambutu sampi ndai toai ba kaan kan dai kaan.